Hi mga B! Welcome na naman po sa panibagong e-tour natin ngayong araw. Ito ang ating Astrid model located lamang sa Sanha Mayor, Tansa, Cavite ng West Townhomes. So, sana makatulong tong video na to kung planning ka mag-acquire ng property na hassle-free, complete finish upon turnover through Pag-ibig financing. Baka ito na yung property na hinahanap mo. So, pakitapos po ng video na to para may idea kayo kung ano nga ba ang mai-offer nitong ating napakagandang model na Astrid model ng Newville. So, sa ground floor, meron na itong ceramic floor tiles, cemented garage carport na may pocket garden na. Then, meron na din itong dalawang toilet and bath. Isang toilet and bath sa baba at isa din sa taas. Ang floor naman sa taas is laminated vinyl na. Then, meron ka na ding 2 extra bedrooms and 1 master bedroom with balcony. Ang lot area nito is 52 square meters and yung total improved area niya naman is 90 square meter. Di ba? Napakasulit. So, ikaw, kung nagustuhan mo to at gusto mong makita to ng personal, magpabuka lang sa akin ng house viewing, free yung house viewing natin daily. At kung makikita nyo din, dyan, mahagip yung sasakyan. Yes, kasi ito ay super along highway.
And so if you love and like this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my personal accounts on the description box and contact me on my details there. So again, I enjoy your property specialist and see you in your house viewing day.